Hello! This video about real tests of the factory anti-theft systems of BMW X5 with E70 body 2012 year and Mini Cooper Countryman 2014 year with the PANDORA 605 tester. This is a PANDORA 605 tester for checking the factory anti-theft systems of the BMW E series. Let's begin from BMW X5. This is BMW X5 with the E70 body. The test conducts from a car that is about 20 meters away from the BMW X5 car being tested. It can be seen that when closing the car doors with the original key, the car parking lights flash together with the tester green LED. The signal from the key is caught and stored in the tester memory cell. Next, select the memory cell number 8 with the saved signal and press the tester button to open the car doors. By the flash of the car's parking lights, it is clear that the doors are unlocked. In other words, previously successfully received by the tester signal from the key allowed unlock this car. Now we check the tester with Mini Cooper Countryman. This is Mini Cooper Countryman car. The test conducts from a car that is about 15 meters away from the Mini Cooper Countryman being tested. It can be seen that when the car doors are closed with the original key, the car turn indicators flash together with the tester green LED. The signal from the key was previously caught and stored in the tester memory cell. Next, select the memory cell number 1 with the saved signal and press the tester button to open the car doors. A flash of the turn indicators shows that the car doors are unlocked. In other words, previously successfully received by the tester signal from the key allowed unlock the car doors. Conclusion: PANDORA 605 successfully works with the factory alarm systems of the tested car models. Thanks for watching.